everybody, it's Adriel again. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be baking, but before that, if you're not yet a subscriber, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and please click on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I have videos like this or travel vlogs as well. Also guys, I'm sorry kung meron kayong mga maririnig na mga tricycle sa daan kasi we live next to the road, so maraming dumadaan kaya medyo maingay. Please bear with me na lang. Okay, so let's start our recipe. Okay, so actually guys, this cookie recipe, nakita ko to sa vlog ni Heussaff. So nag-battle sila ni Solenn and then kinopya ko yung recipe ni Solenn. So ito na yung Solenn's recipe, but meron akong idadagdag. I think magbibigay siya ng other flavor doon sa cookie na gagawin ko, but this is the first time, so I'm also thrilled and excited for this one. Okay, so let's start na with our dry ingredients, which are, so obviously flour, we also have baking soda, and then we have cornstarch, and then we have salt. So pagsasama-samahin lang natin sila into our mixing bowl. So guys, for our flour, we are going to need 2 cups of flour. 2 cups. And I'm using the all-purpose flour. What do you like about baking ba guys? Ako kasi parang nakaka-relax mag-bake kasi everything is controlled. I mean, specific talaga yung measurement, unlike sa cooking na you can add more if you feel like yung lasa niya ay hindi pa swak sa panlasa mo. But for baking kasi, napaka precise. We are going to put 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, guys. So, one tip, kailangan para talagang sure ka na sakto yung iyong sinusukat, kailangan mong tanggalin yung sobra. Like this one. So, 1. And then after that, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we have 1 teaspoon of 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So you can use any type of salt. For me, I'm gonna be using the rock salt, tulad nung kay Solenn. Next is you have to mix it. Mix everything. Make sure na namimix mo siyang lahat. Kasi pag na-concentrate yung baking soda sa isang lugar lang, kahit na gumamit ka ng mixer, minsan papaet. Ayun pala, make sure na yung baking soda mo is tama doon sa measurement na kailangan mo. Why? It is because mapait masyado ang iyong cookie pagka sumobra ng baking soda. So, dapat laging may presence of mind and alam mo dapat kung ilan na yung nailagay mo. So, ready na ang ating dry ingredients. So, ulitin lang, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1/2 teaspoon salt. Okay, so next step po tayo guys. ang ilalagay na natin sa ating mixer, gagamitin na natin siya. Lalagay na natin yung ating butter. We are going to cream the butter. Gaano kadaming butter yung kailangan mo? Yung isang bar na malaki, you need 3/4 of that. So, we are going to put or cream the butter na. Pwede mong liit-liitin muna para mas madalian yung mixer natin. Kapag cream. Ayan. Make sure pala guys na yung inyong butter is in room temperature na bago mo siya i-cream. So, pag galing sa ref, siguro mga 1 to 2 hours mo siyang ilabas muna bago ka mag-bake. For the sugar, we're going to need 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. Okay, so next step, ilalagay na natin yung eggs. So sa eggs guys, ang kailangan natin ay 1 egg buo. Make sure na yung malaki yung gagamitin mo. Again, pag gagamit ng itlog, kumuha ka muna ng other na lalagyan bago mo ilagay dun sa mixture mo. Kasi what if sira pala yung egg? So, at least hindi mo pa nasayang lahat ng mixture mo. Yeah. It happened na to me one time. So, goes in and then egg yolk. 1 egg yolk. So, tatanggalin natin. Mas madali mo pa makukuha yung egg yolk pag ganito yung ginamit mo method. So, egg yolk. Ilalagay mo. Then, lagyan na natin yung lemon zest. Okay, so, ito medyo kinakabahan ako kung ano magiging resulta niya. Pero I think, lahat naman na natikman ko na dessert na may lemon zest, ang sarap-sarap niya. So, I wanna try this one. And then, we are going to put vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Wala lang laman. Open the other one. Yeah. Okay. And then mix it again. Okay, so eto na yung last step. Ilalagay na natin yung dry ingredients natin kanina. So, yung flour, ilalagay na natin siya. Dahan-dahan yung paglalagay. Hindi mo siya dapat ilagay ng sabay-sabay. Okay, so pa-konti-konti lang yung paglalagay. Also guys, I forgot, kailangan mo rin pala maglagay ng dash of canola oil para sa moisture niya. Yun, so lagay natin. Konti lang.
Yeah.
Okay, next step guys. Lalagyan na natin ng chocolate chips. So, for me, it's up to you kung gaano kadaming chocolate chips yung gusto mong ilagay. But for me, I think this is ano na lang, 1/2 cup. Lagay natin. And then, you have to fold your dough. Para mag-incorporate lahat noong chocolate chips. Also, kasi merong mga dough or flour na napunta sa gilid, at least you can still mix it. Diba? Ang mas maayos.
Yeah.
Ayan, well mixed na ang ating dough. Kailangan na lang natin gawin ay i-ref yung ating mixture for 1 to 2 hours para at least pag binake mo siya, mas maayos siyang tignan. So, I'll get back to you after. So, ayun guys. Nakalipas na yung enough time para mag-bake na tayo. So, let's start baking. So, obviously, yung una natin dapat gawin is to put some parchment paper dito sa ating baking pan. Okay, yung brand na ginagamit ko na baking paper is Glad. Okay, this is not a sponsored video. Pero kasi, ito pa lang yung una kong ginamit na brand na talagang hindi dumidikit yung cookie. So, for me, this is the best brand para ikaw ay mag-bake. Pinakamaganda siya talagang gamitin. Makakatipid ka kasi pwede mong gamitin paulit-ulit yung isang parchment paper na ilalagay mo sa baking pan. And then, normally, ang isang cookie for me is 1 tablespoon. So, you should make sure na 1 tablespoon nga lang talaga yung mailalagay mo.
Yeah.
So, this is our cookie. Ngayon, kung gusto mo lagyan ng mga chocolates pa, you can do so. So, ito gawin nating mix. Merong plain lang. Merong maglalagyan tayo ng Hershey's. Dalawa. And then, meron din tayong lalagyan ng M&M's. Pinaka-cute tignan tong M&M kasi syempre makulay. And parang feeling ko merong ibang lasa yung M&M pagka binake. So, eto na. Wait, lalapit ako dyan. Eto na yung ating i-bake. Ayan, ito na yung ating i-bake for 10 to 12 minutes. So guys, eto na, luto na ating chocolate chip cookies with lemon zest. Sobrang bango niya. Sana nandito kayo para maamoy nyo din. Pero ang bango niya talaga, promise. So, ito na siya. Ito na yung ating final product. Yan. Medyo nagdikit lang yung iba. Ito, dikit. Masyadong malaki. Pero, ang bango talaga. Sobrang bango. Amoy na amoy talaga yung lemon zest. Hindi ako makapaghintay na tikman na siya. Pero dahil kakalabas niya pa lang sa oven, kailangan natin maghintay ng ilang minutes pa bago natin siya ilipat sa rack para mag-cool down pa ulit. So, ayun kasi yung procedure talaga. You have to wait for, I don't know, pag medyo matigas na siya, pwede na siguro to. Ito sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, pag glad yung ginagamit ninyo, hindi talaga dumidikit yung cookie. Unlike yung dati kong ginagamit, nakalimutan ko anong brand at hindi ko na rin sasabihin, baka i-demanda pa ako. Dumidikit sila, dumidikit yung cookie. Kaya every now and then, kailangan mo magpalit ng wax paper. So this one, hindi na kasi nga, hindi talaga dumidikit yung cookie. So, tinransfer na natin siya sa rack. We just need to wait for maybe 5 to 10 minutes more bago natin siya tikman. I'm so excited na because this is the first time na naglagay ako ng lemon zest sa cookie. And, okay guys, tikiman na. So, kinakabahan ako pero let's try. Ito, actually pinakagusto ko lang sa mga cookies, yun lang plain chocolate chip. Yung mga may flavor, okay lang din, pero mas gusto ko talaga to. Perfect for coffee. May masarap siya. Crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Tapos you can really taste the lemon. Hindi siya, parang hindi nakakasawang kainin. Tamang-tama lang yung lasa ng lemon sa kanya. Hindi siya nakakasawang kainin. Hindi siya sobrang tamis. Just the right amount of sweetness and just the right amount of lemon zest. Ang sarap. Okay, so if you want to try this at home, make sure that you are following my procedures. Also, please leave a comment down below so that I may know kung ano ba ang experience ninyo kung ginawa nyo rin tong cookie na ito. And please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. Style by Adriel, lahat ng social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, you can visit my website at www.stylebyadriel.com. Thank you so much and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Try nyo ha. Masarap.